Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to delete your YouTube search history and watch history permanently. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the YouTube app on your phone. Click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from here, you can already see history. Click on View All so that you can be able to view all your history or watch history. If you want to remove a specific watch history, you can click on the three dots located at the side of that specific video and it will give you these options. And click on Remove from Watch History to remove it. But if you want to remove all of them, you just need to click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen and clear all watch history. You just need to confirm by clicking clear watch history again. And that's it. We already cleared our watch history. Now, in order for us to delete search history as well, you just need to click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen and click on Manage All History. Now from here, you can see your search history already. And if you want to delete it, you just need to click on Delete and you can choose Delete Today or Delete Custom Range or Delete All Time. And take note, once you click on those three, it will delete automatically. And that's it. That's how you delete your YouTube search history and watch history permanently. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!